Sahit. Exploring the core texts of the Vedas. The Vedas, the ancient and revered scriptures of Hinduism, are a vast repository of knowledge encompassing various aspects of life, philosophy, rituals, and spirituality. Among the foundational texts of the Vedas, the Sahits hold a central position. In this comprehensive article, we delve into the significance, composition, contents, and historical context of the Sahits, shedding light on their enduring influence on Hindu thought and practice. Brief overview. The Vedas, believed to be of divine origin, are the oldest and most authoritative texts of Hinduism. They are traditionally classified into four main parts: Sahits, Brahmas, Rayakas, and Upanishads. The Sahits, the focus of this article, constitute the foundational layer of the Vedas and are revered as the core texts of this ancient tradition. Significance and composition. The term Sahit is derived from the Sanskrit root word Sahita, meaning collection or compilation. The Sahits are collections of hymns, prayers, and rituals that were orally transmitted over generations before being eventually recorded. They serve as a guide for priests and practitioners engaged in Vedic rituals and ceremonies. There are four Vedas, each with its own Sahit. 1. Rigveda Sahit. 2. Samaveda Sahit. 3. Yajurveda Sahit. 4. Atharvaveda Sahit. Each Sahit is further divided into several sections known as mantras. These mantras are composed in a sophisticated and rhythmic form of ancient Sanskrit, which lends them a melodic and enchanting quality, making them well suited for recitation during rituals. Contents and themes. The Sahits contain a wide range of hymns and prayers, addressing deities, natural forces, cosmological concepts, and philosophical ideas. They reflect the worldview of the ancient Vedic society, its reverence for nature, and its aspirations for spiritual growth. The themes explored within the Sahits include the creation of the universe, the relationship between humans and the divine, the pursuit of knowledge, and the importance of righteous living. Historical context. The exact origins of the Vedas and their Sahits are shrouded in antiquity. It is believed that these texts were composed over a span of centuries, with some hymns possibly dating back more than 3,000 years. The oral transmission of these texts from one generation to another played a crucial role in their preservation, though it also led to variations in pronunciation and textual interpretations. Influence on Hindu thought and practice. The Sahits continue to exert a profound influence on Hinduism's philosophical, ritualistic, and spiritual dimensions. They form the basis for various Vedic rituals, ceremonies, and chants that are performed to this day. Moreover, the hymns and prayers contained within the Sahits provide insight into the devotional and meditative practices of ancient times, serving as a source of inspiration for modern seekers. Conclusion. The Sahits stand as a testament to the deep spiritual and intellectual heritage of Hinduism. As the foundational texts of the Vedas, they offer a glimpse into the thoughts, beliefs, and rituals of an ancient civilization. Their enduring significance lies not only in their role as guides for Vedic ceremonies but also in their ability to inspire individuals on their spiritual journeys, resonating across millennia and connecting humanity to its ancient roots.